Welcome to Pirates First TV. Champion, how are you feeling?
Hey champ, ngiyakruza ngiyajiva ngishaya kwasa. Amabhakani ajabulile. Mfowethu, what a support. What a support. Allow me to say, if Orlando Pirates Football Club is a drug, let it kill me once. Because I love Pirates. I love Pirates. Let it kill me once. If Orlando Pirates is a drug, oh man, let it kill me once. And sorry, Mkwanas, don't arrest Pirates. Please. Mkwanas, don't arrest Pirates. If Orlando Pirates FC is a drug, let it kill me once. Because I will sleep a Paris, I wake up a Paris, I walk a Paris, I play a Paris. When I eat, Pirates. What a game. Sorry, Opit, you trying. You fail, you give us 2 goals. Thank you very much. Sorry, Sundowns, you are same what's up with Opit College. You don't have cup. You don't have cup. And sorry, Cardoso, might happen when you come back at Morocco, you jobless. Because you are against Zangalut. Yeah, obakhona khambili. Kwa Sundowns uma ngabe ungasaphethe lutho ukonjisa umnyango. Of which Paris fan, thank you Arok guys. Let me congratulate Mute Tula Magazine Safanda. Mute spam zenyo. Tula Magazine Safanda. This is the first season of this guy. But now they have 3 cups. And the most difficult one cup. Paris was trying until Rivero take their back and left Paris without crowning the between. This guy is the first season crowning the between now. Of which, watch the space. This guy might happen to defend the between.
He's going to.
Might happen to yabona the scheme of sponsors on no. Ukuthi thina balandeli were too harsh. They are building something for next year because some of the players is too old. You have to start with the young ones. Yeah, but ungabathina balandeli bePirates. One of my favorite players were, but what can I say to them? Orlando Pirates supporters, let's try to learn to support starting lineup of Orlando Pirates. All 11 players, let's support them. Let's give them love. So that bangabona ngathi asibathandi. Laba mfowethu basalwe iPirates, bascoutile yababona ukuthi ba good for Pirates. Let's support them without dividing them. As a supporters, let's play our role. My brother, allow me to say, Junior Mpumi, Koza, great job you did. Mtebo Dlamini, great job you did, guys. To support management, to support your players, to support us as a supporters. Because if it's Yalo Nani, then the attendance is because we are the one big family. Each and everyone will dala a role yake. Thank you very much, guys. And then the season was a wonderful season. It's not a papa and flesh ubana makapa matatu.
It's not.
No, because actually, so walking a makap is a competition. Anyone they are willing to take it, but we're managing to take 3 cups. We left 1 for someone. They call City Tappen Citizen. Okay, and even Kaizer Chiefs, Dololo Cups. Sometimes Dololo Cups. But they claim they are big teams. Anyway, the season it continue yabantu thina. Bese sifala nani senza ukuthi nophumula kancane uprepare iWorld Cup. Bafowethu nginifisela ukuthi nihlale kahle emakhaya bese ngithatha message yami to the all football supporters. Season besiyivala namhlanje. Let's give our families enough time so that makuvula isizini ba understand ukuthi no sihamba all out abana nkinga because mase ivale isizini sakwazi ukuhlala nabo siba support. This time ake kube thina sohambisa izingane crash umama salelele ungamani umama qosa lokuhambisa ingane crash kulesikhathi akube thina sophekela bomama siba treat nice sibonisa ukuthi Orlando Pirates njengabe siyisupporta isizini yonke isenzele kuhle isijabulisile as a happy people babone lo lothanda ukuthi awu kanti lamadoda manje sometimes iPirates ibhayisekile mabefika bekwate kanje kanti iPirates mayiwinile la endlini kuba mnandi kaso bafowethu sibakhuthaze nabo mama singasalala manje flat umama nje ungavuka nje umnikeze ibreakfast eshisayo umnikeze early morning ne afternoon nilale kube mnandi ikete kube mnandi ezweni ibhakaniya ijab sorry to say GNU you trying to pray very hard kodwa uNkulunkulu ngoba uyabona uyibonile imithandazo yenjweni ukuthi ingcolile ngeke kahambisana nemithandazo engcole kanje akanikeze lo muntu osokolile Pirates kade yaqala ukuzama ukuthola le Betway I think Pirates and Arsenal congratulations guys
Yebo
22 years omunye 14 years kodwa egcineni sibabizana kule season ama champions what's the Pirates
always